71% of Earth's surface is covered in water, but where did it all come from? The physical origin of Earth's water has been at the forefront of modern planetary science for decades. Hypotheses range from early asteroids, comets, and even a collision with an ancient body named Theia in a process that formed the moon. However, a recent study suggests that the sun and its solar wind may be responsible. Entitled Solar Wind Contributions to Earth's Oceans, this study by Dr. Luke Daly from the University of Glasgow was published in December 2021. Professor Phil Bland from Curtin University also worked on the study. In a recent press release, he said, one existing theory was that water was carried to Earth in the final stages of its formulation on C-type asteroids. However, previous testing of the isotopic fingerprints of these asteroids found they didn't match Earth's water, meaning there was at least one other unaccounted for source. They carried out their research on an olivine grain from the S-type asteroid Itokawa, collected in 2010. They used the world-class atom probe tomography system in Curtin University to see if it contained a volatile reservoir of isotopes similar to that of solar wind. Just as they suspected, it carried 20 liters of solar wind-derived water for every cubic meter of rock. Dr. Bland went on to say that their research suggests that the solar wind created water on the surface of tiny dust grains, and this isotopically lighter water likely provided the remainder of Earth's water. Isolated grains of dust in space, such as those on the moon's surface, could represent an important source of water in our solar system, one which we could potentially harvest in the future. This exciting research paints a much clearer picture of the early Earth, how it came to be life-sustaining, and the full extent of the sun's role in that. To learn more about solar wind-derived water, head on over to spacetv.net for all the latest news. For Space TV News, I'm Terry Briscoe.